Alright, we are here, actually this is also traction. Yeah. The hydraulic is the other one.
There's a third elevator, by the way.
Okay. Yeah,
there's a third.
There is a third, yep. It's just been a little while since I've been here, so. Yep.
Are you on ghost hunting or birding?
We take pictures of elevators.
Ghost hunting is more like it.
Yep.
That's weird.
Right? Pays the bills too.
You mind being on camera?
Sure.
Say hi.
Hello. How's it going?
It's going good. You're gonna be on YouTube.
Fuck yeah. Follow at Luke Felix Rose on Instagram.
Is that you?
Yes,
Yep.
yes it is.
You, Luke?
Yes, I am.
Two Lukes?
Two Lukes.
Oh,
Yep.
sweet. Nice to meet you.
Yeah. Bell does not ring, but we will go inside the elevator. Car panels on the right. Oh.
I'll go up
we
to
gotta
4 or
use-
5,
we gotta-
please.
It might not. This might have a loud buzzer for nudging. I don't know.
Yeah, these ones are old.
These are modded though.
Still cool.
A little bit of vertigo
Vintage
at the end.
Montgomery. I love the fan.
Who's got 5?
Me. I got 5.
All right.
Yeah, likewise, guys.
good meeting you.
luck.
All right.
LKL is mine. Yeah.
Arizona elevators and more. Arizona elevator. Oh,
See you there.
Arizona elevators and more, and
Loose.
got it.
You guys have fun.
Yeah. Here we go.
Dude's a homie.
That guy was cool. All right, here we are on 8. This is a cool one. And all right, ADA compliant phone. We're going down to 2. That guy was really cool though. EPCO Survivor Plus, Vandal resistant fixtures.
Adams VR.
Yeah, these are EPCO. They could be called Adams though.
What this was originally?
I have no idea. These are just pushed. These don't push in though.
No, you wish they would. Like
Yeah.
on US elevators.
Yep, there are some on. They're modded now apparently, but I did get a video of them a little while ago.
Well,
All right.
modern GAL and the door equipment.
Yep, GL interlock. And if it will focus. All right, there it goes. That's it.